Muthenya wa gatano kiumia kihituku nirio muthuri wa Jennifer Wambua niwe Joseph Komu arauga amutwarire wira wobici-ini cia migunda cia komishoni ya migunda thaa imwe cia rucini na agicoka guthie kuria arutaga wira. Kurerikana Jennifer aingirire wobici na guikara ihinda ria mathaa matatu no agicoka kuma akiaragia na thimu na riu nirio ria muthia Jennifer Wambua onekanire mbica-ini cia CCTV akiuma wobici.
So we only learned of her disappearance on Saturday morning, and when we did, we got in touch with the family. In fact, we learned of this from the family, and we have since been following up. And yesterday, when I was back from Mombasa, together with the CEO, we had a meeting with the family, and we undertook to do everything to trace Jennifer because we believed she was alive and something may have happened along the way.
Muthuri wake Joseph Komu augite ni amuhuriire thimu no ndoire undu uria utari mutugo wake na riria agire kuinuka akihura riboti ya kura gwake ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Capitol Hill County ya Nairobi. Mwiri wake wacokire kuoneka mutito-ini wa Ngong'u Jumamothi ya tariki 13 no tondu gutiri mundu wa mumenyire ugitwarwo nyumba-ini ya kuiga miri ya City County ya Nairobi. Jennifer akoretwo ari muira cira-ini wa uhuthiri muru wa ciringi milioni 122 na maabitha a uthuthuria a DCI mareka uthuthuria niguo mamenye kana kuragwo gwake ni kuhutanitie na cira wa gukumio uria ukoretwo githii na mbere ari muira.
Witnesses involved in serious matters have to be protected, and one of the biggest challenges of witness protection has been lack of witness protection and lack of funds. And also, I'm challenging Kenyans, if you are a witness on a matter where you are receiving threats, then it is always good to seek protection from the witness protection. They are very good at what they do, and a lot of witnesses have been secured properly.
It is our hope and desire that no stone will be unturned in establishing who was behind this heinous crime.
Mwiri wake uguthamio na gutwarwo nyumba-ini ya kuiga miri ya Montezuma kuria uthuthuria wa mwiri ugutafanio. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Muriuki wa Muchoki.